What's up, Blockheads? Up here at Cycle Gear. For all you patrons out there, gonna be buying the next main item for the block box. So yeah, let's go in here and see what it is. What up, Cycle Gearers?
What's up?
What's up, man? Yep. What's up, dude?
Good. How you doing?
Good, man. Hey, Roger, found your helmet. Bro, it looks so safe.
Hold on. Alright, no, that's better. Would you like to go on a ride with me?
So we're in here to buy the next key item for the block box, which I spoke to Edwin here about.
Yeah.
What is it? What are we doing?
GoPro.
Doing one of these guys. That is right, guys. Y'all heard that correctly or saw that correctly. We have a GoPro Hero 5 Black that I'm going to be giving away in this month's block box. The block box is basically available to patrons. If you guys are a Blockhead patron, if you're signed up, you are already entered to potentially be selected to receive this brand new GoPro Hero 5 Black. Gonna select one person to receive it basically at the end of the month / beginning of next month. This is the second month that we're doing this, and the first month we gave away a Blockhead garage banner, and that month, basically last month, April 2018, did so well because of you guys. It did so well that I basically took what we made there and I'm putting it right back into it. So we're gonna continue to do that, and the prizes are gonna get better and better and better as it grows and grows and grows, right? So last month, our first month was a Blockhead garage banner. That did awesome. This month, I'm giving away a GoPro Hero 5 Black. And then next month, depending on how well this month does, might be even something even better. If it keeps on going, growing at the rate that it is, man, we're gonna be giving away some crazy stuff. But in addition to the GoPro Hero 5 Black, we're also gonna give away some other stuff in the block box. So next thing that's going to basically be given away is a t-shirt. So whoever the person that's chosen, whoever the winner is going to get to choose any t-shirt from the Blockhead shop. Basically, it'll be made to order, make it for you, and then it'll be shipped right to you. Also, pretty much with each block box, we're going to have some same recurring items. I'm going to throw in a random item as well. So we're going to do a Blockhead transfer sticker. We're gonna do a couple of Blockhead stickers here. So do like what, 4 of those or so? 1, 2, 3, 4, there we go. So oh yeah. We do have the Blockhead golden ticket. Basically what I mean by that is this is a metallic gold swing arm decal, as you guys see right here. Right, that's the same one. I don't make these to sell. I don't give them to anybody. So they're basically specifically made for both myself and Miss Blockhead, for our bikes, for my helmets, stuff like that. I did have a lot of you guys basically sign up saying you really, really wanted the swing arm decal. So become a Blockhead patron and you'll have your chance to get it. In addition, I did say I was gonna throw in a random item from the garage. So let's look through some drawers here, and you know what, I'm also gonna throw in a Bassani sticker also, and a Bassani koozie. So some Bassani stuff. Oh yeah, we're gonna throw in a get lowered coupon, so you guys can use the coupon and get lowered. Discount code on the back of that. And I'm gonna throw in a random item. So just a random item from the garage. You know what? I think I'm going to do the, I teased with this one last month. I called it like the mystery box or the little Harry Potter wand, you know? Because you know how in Harry Potter, like the way whenever they're in the wand shop or whatever, they remove them like this, and then it's like, right, they dust them off and stuff. So this is basically the box from the very first fuel pack FP3 that I installed on my Iron 883, and within this box is something random, but it kind of has meaning to me. So am I gonna show you guys what's in here? No, I'm not going to show you guys what's in here. There's something in here. It's not a fuel pack, so I'll tell you that. But it is something that kind of has some sentimental value to me. But you know what? I'm not going to tell you what it is. I'm going to let you guys have some mystery, and then whoever wins, I'll let them post up what it is if they want to. So, not this. This isn't included. This is for my new helmet coming up. I'll have a video on that. Yeah, I think that's pretty good for this month's block box. We've got main item, GoPro Hero 5 Black. We've got Blockhead transfer sticker. We've got a couple of the new Blockhead stickers. We've got a Bassani exhaust koozie, Bassani exhaust sticker, Get Lower gift card, the golden ticket, basically Blockhead swing arm decal, gold, and a random box within the block box that has something pretty cool in it, what I think is pretty cool in it, sentimentally. So now that I have explained what's included in the block box, if you guys aren't aware of how to basically be eligible to win this stuff, you have to be a Blockhead patron. What that means is you have to sign up on Patreon, and it's a way that people contribute to the channel. So just to run you guys through this, because there was some confusion last time around, but just to walk you guys through it to try and make it make more sense. So whenever you sign up, you can basically set a maximum. So I have it set up so that you pledge per episode. Other creators on YouTube have it set up to where you can pledge per month. I have it set up per episode just because whenever people were asking me to sign up for it, that's kind of what they lean towards. So I was like, cool, I'll do it per episode, and that's just kind of what we've had it at. However, you are able to set a maximum so that you only spend so much per month, so it's pretty much the same thing. What I mean by that is this. Whenever you basically sign up at the website, which is patreon.com/blockheadmoto, link is in the description down below as well, you elect to sign up, and then you put in your pledge amount per episode, right? So if I wanted to pledge $1 a month, here's what I would do. I would put in $1 per episode, and then there's a spot where you can set your maximum value, right? And in that spot, you would put $1 maximum per month. So whenever I release an episode, post it up on Patreon, it'll basically process your pledge for $1, and that's it. It's not gonna process any more of your pledges, right? So you're going to be at $1. So if I release 10 episodes, since you put it at $1 max, it's not gonna charge you for anything else. You're still gonna have access. Basically, the way I set it up is so that everybody out there could have access. I wanted everybody to be able to participate in it and have access to the behind the scenes content and basically the Patreon. The reason I originally set up the Patreon is people wanted to contribute to the channel. They kept on asking me how they could, so set that up. And then I started releasing content there that I wouldn't normally be able to release on YouTube. So stuff that basically might get my channel a strike on it or whatever. That's why I started releasing it over at Patreon. So I'd make the video private, but share it with patrons, right? So that was kind of a patron perk. Other patron perks include stuff such as exclusive Patreon discounts. You get up to 20% off stuff in the Blockhead shop. You also get, every now and then I'll post up basically asking what I should do a video on, so you guys get to basically choose a subject for me for videos and stuff like that. So, and a couple other little perks here and there. Blockbox also being one of the bigger perks. So back to how it works with your entries for the Blockbox. So if you pledge $1 per episode and you don't set a max, and I release 10 episodes in the month, for each one of those episodes, you're pledging $1, right? So if I release 10 episodes, you're pledged 10 times. So you have 10 entries for the month. Say you pledge $5, right? You don't set a maximum, and I release 10 episodes. 5 times 10, you're now entered 50 times into it, right? We have people that pledge $1 a month and $1 max, and we also have people that pledge $10 no max. So they'll pledge up to like $90 to $120 a month, but that's entirely based on what you guys want to pledge. Entirely up to y'all. You can do it at $1. Like I said, I set it real low so that everybody could participate. So yeah, that's pretty much how it works. If you guys want some more details, be sure to go check out Patreon. There's some rules down in the bottom of the description. Like I said, patreon.com/blockheadmoto. I will post up the link in the description as well. Once again, I just want to thank the patrons for last month for making this block box thing such a huge success. I greatly, greatly appreciate it, guys. This is going to basically give us the opportunity to do some really, really great things if it continues to grow and do well. So I can't thank y'all enough for the support. It's just totally crazy to me that I can buy a GoPro for you guys and give it away to somebody and just continue to grow and to like contribute and give back to this community, because like all of this like it's largely in part because of you guys. You know, if I'd started recording videos and you guys didn't hit the subscribe button and you didn't show support, you know, obviously I'd still have a passion for motorcycles and I would still be riding, but I wouldn't be sharing, you know, everything with you guys. We wouldn't be doing like, you know, build series on the Sportster or the Grom or the Dyna. You know, it would just all be, I wouldn't be sharing it. It would just be all me. We wouldn't be doing events where I have to make banners to meet you guys. And it's just, to me, it's super, just so cool, so awesome that this community has grown and shaped up the way that it has. And I just want to let you guys know that I'm really, really super appreciative being able to give back. And I want to give back more. And like I said, if this keeps on growing, then that is definitely the plan. It's something that I said a while back, you know, I want to be able to buy a bike and build it out and give it away to you guys. So I think that's something, if it continues to go well, I think that's something that we're on the path towards. So thank you guys so much. I greatly appreciate y'all's contributions, y'all's pledges, y'all signing up. I hope y'all are enjoying the content. Be sure to go check out Patreon if you guys want a chance to win it. And thank you guys once again so much. Anyway, so that is the block box for this month. Also a t-shirt, so it's not pictured here because I don't know what size the winner wears. So as soon as we choose the winner, I'll order it. I'll get in touch with the winner, order it specifically for you, and I'll send it straight to you. If you guys do have any questions on it, be sure to post up down in the comments below and I'll answer to the best of my knowledge, basically try to clarify everything. If you guys did enjoy the video, be sure to hit that like button, give it a thumbs up. If y'all are new here, you're not subscribed yet, be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon as well so it sends you notifications of future uploads and all that. And until next time, you guys ride safe out there, stay vigilant. I'll catch you guys later. Deuces. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, and it comes with a memory card. Screw it, screw it.